Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my attempt at what a LEGO Borsk Fey'lya could look like. Firstly, you're going to want to take the legs from this Newt Scamander minifigure. You're then going to want to take the torso from this Nick Fury minifigure. And finally, you're going to want to take the head from this LEGO Splinter minifigure. The final product should look something like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo when you're building this minifigure. And there we have it. I hope you like this minifigure. I certainly had fun with it. I initially didn't know how I was going to do it, but I saw the head that was in my LEGO minifigure drawer and thought, yeah, that would work. If you have any requests for any minifigures you would like to see in the future, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. Also, if you've watched this far into the video and you're not subscribed, it'd be very nice if you did. Make sure that subscribe button still works. If you would like to see some more Purist custom LEGO minifigures, feel free to click on the playlists which should be on the end screen now.